Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. It's a pleasure to be with you in this moment. I'm so happy you would join me today. If you're feeling a bit stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, insecure, worried, angry, upset with people and all their difficulties, feeling lonely, feeling depressed, feeling numb, feeling shame, guilt, resentment, restlessness, perhaps even joyfulness. Know that you're not alone, that millions, if not billions, of people around the globe can relate. You know that we all cry in the same language. We all feel lonely in the same language. We all feel angry in the same language. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can move some of our pain and anxiety up out of the way and make more space for love, trust, compassion, peace, kindness, humbleness, bowing down to this life and all of its mysteries. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position, becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, extending your spine so that you may be upright, dropping your shoulders away from the ears, letting go of distractions. You can gently close your eyes to tune deeper into your inner space. thus far. Becoming aware of the sensation of touch. Becoming aware of temperature, the coolness or warmth of your body. Becoming aware of sound. Enjoying this time of not having to do anything but listen. Opening your chest, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing your hands and feet. Taking a deep breath in. Breathing in new life, new energy through the nose. And exhaling, releasing, letting go out the mouth. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling, feeling your belly and chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Dropping the shoulders, bringing a smile. Smiling at the pain. Smiling at your circumstance. Smiling at yourself, your most essential self. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, letting go. My friend, stay with me, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat as you breathe in trust. Exhale, letting go of insecurities, worries, anxieties. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling fear, negativity, letting it go. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale out. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling, exhale out. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Every cell in your body breathing in and every cell breathing out, letting go, releasing, softening, letting go of tension in the face, relaxing your belly even more. mindfulness. Exhale, letting go of sadness. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, letting go of anger. Breathing in peace. Exhale, letting go of the inner critic. Breathing in slower and softer. Exhale, even slower, even softer. Breathing in, feeling your belly and chest rise. Holding at the top. Becoming aware. And exhale, let go. Looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming any thoughts, emotions, sensations, welcoming pain, welcoming anxiety, now welcoming the anger, the depression, whatsoever is inside you. Welcome it like an old friend. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to simply let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Witnessing and welcoming any thoughts, embracing yourself. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Becoming aware, becoming present. So you take another deep breath in. Hold. Continuing to hold. And exhale, let go. stay with it, my friend. Letting go of thoughts coming back into your body. Aware of how you're sat. I thank you for your patience with me as I continue to learn how to get better and improve these meditations. I'm grateful that you would tune in. I know I have a lot of space to grow in these meditations, and I thank you for being part of the journey. The color for today is off-white. The number is 14,000. And the animal is a woolly mammoth. Letting go of past, letting go of future for a few seconds, just being totally here. And taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Way to go, my friend. You did it. You stayed with me through the whole episode. And I'm so grateful to share this with you on this special day. Sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you self-love, wishing you love for others, wishing you love for this crazy life and all of the challenges we face, all of the unpleasant circumstances, all of the people that can drive us crazy because of their, who knows why people are driving you crazy in your own life. But I can make a guess that people often can trouble each other based off different personalities, different approaches. Try your best today to stay patient with people, stay loving. You be loving first. Even if someone's being mean or aggressive, try being patient, try being compassionate and loving first. And don't bother about how they receive it or anything like that. Open your heart, keep your heart open. Remember the beauty of kindness, being kind. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.